Most of you have contacted me asking me how to create this Microsoft account, and this video I'm going to solve this problem for you. The link to this website is going to be in the description of this video, or I'm going to pin it under the comment section of this video. Just tap on the link and it's going to take you to this interface, this website. And when you get here, what you're going to do is to tap on the sign in button here. It's going to take me to this other interface. You can see I already have an account. I've created my account. You can see we found an account here, so I already have an account with this, but I'm not going to do that. Or you can sign in inputting your own email here if you already have an account. So you can see create account here. No account, create one. You are going to tap on the create account here. Since you don't have an account, that is what we are going to tap on. So I already have an account, but I want to show you how you can create yours. So what you will do now is to tap on the create new account here. I'm going to tap on that to input my details. So they are asking create an account. You're going to enter your email address, the email address you want to use. So for this, I'm going to use this email address. When you input your email address, tap on the next button here, and it's going to load up, asking you to create your password. Your password, you can show your password here so that you'll be sure of the password you're using. And when you're done, you tap on the next button, and they are going to ask you this: what is your name? You enter your name, fill in your information, then tap on next again, and you go to this place. What's your birth date? Here, this is the region I am in. This is my country. If your country is not here, you select your country from the drop down menu, and here I'm going to select my birthday. So that is what you will input here. When you're done setting this, you tap on next again, and they will ask to verify your email. What you will do now is this: you go to your email address and go to your Gmail and verify. You will see an email from Microsoft. So look at the email here. I've been sent an email here. So this is the verification code. I'm going to copy. Do not bother copying my verification code because it's not going to work. So you will do yours. So I'm going to input my verification code here. You can see I would like information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services. If you like that, you check the button there. If you don't like to receive that, you uncheck it. Okay, then when you're done, you tap on next. So they are saying this: please solve the puzzle so we know you are not a robot. So what is the puzzle about? So they said audio. They say audio challenge. Press play, type the number of the song that includes birds singing, then press enter on the done button. So you just follow the option here. So alright, and that is done. You can see verification completed. You're proving you're human. Continue your action. So it's going to load up, and let's see the outcome. And here again, they're asking please solve the puzzle so know you are not a robot. And we are going to tap on audio. Here I'll select visual. So here they say use the arrows to rotate the object. So I'm going to do this: use the arrow. This is the direction, and submit. And they'll ask again, and this is the direction. I'll submit. Verification complete. So you can see your Microsoft account brings everything together. You can see what they are asking. Now tap on continue, and that is it. That is how you create your Microsoft account. Then this Microsoft account I've just created now, you can use this account to log into Microsoft Bing. So if I want to log into Microsoft Bing now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to type Microsoft image creator. So I'm going to type this in. So let me show you how to log it in. Now they are saying you can see join and create. I'm going to tap on this join and create. So now you will input the email account you just used to create your email, your Microsoft account. So here I'm going to input my email address. This is it. Now tap on next, and here you will see enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password which you used. Tap on sign in, and you can see they are saying stay signed in. I can select yes, And that is how you should create your Microsoft account and also use it to sign into the Microsoft Bing. So I hope this video answered your question on how to create your Microsoft account. Thank you guys. Do not forget to like this video, drop in the comment section if you were able to do this, and if this video was helpful to you, I would like to know. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in my next video.